So I was going through my Ring Doorbell logs from the other day, actually the other morning, and about 5:15 a.m. came across a video of something very interesting in my front yard that my doorbell picked up on. Let me know what you think of this. Thanks for watching. Please check out the newest video to your right or the suggested video to the left. And please click on the center icon to subscribe to the channel to be notified of all new videos coming in the future. Thanks and have a great day.